How do you hold your pick when it comes to picking individual notes? Well, the first thing to watch out for is that you're holding with only your thumb and your index fingers. That's super important. So how to hold the pick? My thumb is straight. Watch out that we don't have this going on, that your thumb is kind of crooked. And finally then my index is like really high up the pick. I'm not holding it up here. The reason for that is there's just way too much spare pick going on that could clash against extra strings when I pick. So by holding it closer to the top, all the pick is going to do is catch the string that I want. And you can even try that if you wish by holding the pick really at the end and exposing loads of it and try and pick your strings, and just notice it will hit against extra strings you don't want. The second thing to do when it comes to picking notes is, well, is there any specific types of picks to buy? There are ones on the market which are small by design, which aren't great for strumming, but they're brilliant for picking. You'll find links to those below this lesson. So that's to do with how to hold your pick for alternate picking.